Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos. And today I'm gonna share my new coffee station. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. كبرات حواتين قاعد حنمصاهم اسمي إيدا نبهال لو ما انتهاني ناتي كوفي ستيشن مالتيو مساحتكم شير قبري كتفتوا قاعد اسفاي قبري عني الحوات. Okay guys, before I show you my coffee station, I do have special product from Elechomes. I am Elechomes brand ambassador. I cannot wait to share this special product with you guys. كبرات حوات قد ما جمرنا ناي Elechomes حنتي product على مساكم شير قبر زدلغو كم تتفلتوا ناتهم براند امباسادري سو تدريكم برودكت زي اير فلتر كوينا جن نقول عد كروميا تسرح سبيشال مالتيو كنت عباية كونتن فوكس لا سو نقول عد سبيشال استسرح تيخاس دسيل عني سو كريكم يا همي كم تسرح كيف تقرأكم. Okay guys, this HEPA air purifier I'm gonna share with you today it covers 215 square foot. I recommend it for a kids room. It cleans the air from allergies, pets, smokers, pollen, dust, odor eliminators, and 100% ozone free and so on. Rest easy knowing that your air has been purified to the max and live allergy free. Okay guys, my first impression is the size and the weight. It's very lightweight and it's not too big. You can put it on your desktop, especially for a small children room. This is great. I really like it. كبرات حوات مجمرة دفتقوا كبيدا يكونن عندنا حن جفات أبيض هاي يكونن أبديس كنات كاتقبرات قل ككل خان نقول احتمالاتي زي حكي أمني داني روم كجبري. It also comes with 1-year warranty card and a booklet, a direction booklet, and if something happens within a year, you can replace it. Okay, كبرات حوات مس حدا عمت warrantyات مسخاني ممبر حزب كاني مصحف اللوا يرأي كمالتي خميجة كام تغيره فلتر دحرش الشوري. No. It doesn't have any sound, you guys. It is so quiet. Oh my gosh. And it has a timer. You can time it, like I put it for 1 hour or 2 hours or 4 hours if you want. You see, 8 hours, even 8 hours. And you can add, oh okay. This one is a little bit stronger, so it's a little bit, you see? Wow, the 8 hours is very, very quiet, you guys, just like the 1 hour. So I like this one. Dude, it's so cute. I can't wait to put it with my baby room. Filter على صغير أبشر شرح مالتي. So كم يجي عم تغيره قال كله direction أبزل لكن special فتق واقع أخذ كل سنة إشتى مقارنة عندنا أمنا يقال عروس لا تقمت أدخل so تقال عكب أزمة كابزغون حمامي يكلا قللو مالتي. Hey guys, you can see how small it is. It's very small. It's very easy to care. I just want you to see this. It's gonna be a thumbnail. Okay, كبرات حوات تري order لهم كم نيشتي مقانا هرئيكم إليه. Okay guys, the original price for this beauty is $69.99 and Elechomes is giving you 40% off just for you. The code is ELECH011. Use this code to get 40% off. Okay, كبرات حوات original واقع عنا يزي عملتيو 7 قرشي نيرو 69 9 ساتهم كا 4% off يبغنا له كود كاني ELECH011 جيركن order جبرة shipping and handling free عزلا مالتي. Okay guys, I always like to create a coffee station for myself because I'm a coffee drinker. Every morning I drink coffee, so I decided to make one side at the corner of my kitchen. I am gonna make it as a coffee station. First I use my glass tray. This tray is a gift from my wedding. It means so much to me, so I'm gonna use my instant coffee on the side, and then my sugar and my cup. Okay, كبرات روات كل جزيس زي كوفي ستيشن كسرح ندابل كينيرة مناتو بتعمي كوفي ستي نيجرا كنيرة نقول كوفي هاي ستاقو فانكشن يقبرني so زي أنا مرعي جيفت مالتي زي whoever زهبني غنيلي زا جلاس مالتي تري نسان بتحت كيرة دحر instant coffee شكر تي ماك دستي لها غيرها مالتي. And then this one is my coffee candle. I got this candle from Ross long time ago, like 13-14 years ago, and I do love it. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, place it right here. It looks good. And this is my milk frother that I make my milk to make a cappuccino, and then I use my coffee. So I'll go ahead put this one right here. Okay. And next is my cookie jar. My kids love cookies. I don't eat cookies, but they do, so I always keep their cookies in there, so I put it out with the coffee station. مليسا خاني زي كوكي مالتيو بسكوت قلمله تنقلعت بتاع ميمز فوتو سو كل شعب زي الجاري دا أبطله لو ممكن مزجيرة يا مالتيو مسؤول خيده.
Across the room, it's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about.
So it is about 9 a.m. in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead make my daily coffee.
Just say you want me to.
Okay, كبرت هجنوك هيدا لو ساعة كم مالتيو بونك فيه.
Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile,
I use instant coffee and the frothier milk and a little bit sugar to make the special cappuccino I make daily. I also use almond milk instead of regular milk. The milk قني almond تدعينا مالك.
I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do.
نقدم بلا القرص نعستين حجي.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you.
If you like my coffee station, please let me know on the comment section. Okay, كبرات فوات فتيغن أعتقون كنزي coffee station نقر عليكم. Thanks Elechomes for sponsoring this video. Okay guys, if you are interested on the Elechomes air purifier, I will leave their information on the description box. Please check them out. Okay, كبرات حوات در أفتيقنا أكون كنزي ماشين أبز description box ناتهم كقرفلكني بسترفع أبز متزجيزي خسع زريكن دحنك أني I love you all so much. Thanks guys for watching.